Hi, I'm Gary Rohrbacher from AtFAB. What we've done is we have about 20 different kinds of furniture, pieces of furniture that you can download from our website, which is atfab.co. The cut files are very simple profile cuts, but you can make chairs and tables and beds and storage pieces and stools, all from simple plywood that you have on hand or you can buy at your local hardware store. We've also written a book with my partner Ann Filson and Anna France that will take you step by step through how to make 7 different pieces of furniture. And we start by making these test pieces, which allow you to sort out your cuts and feeds and speeds and get all of your settings for your CNC router. And so in a pretty short order, you can be making furniture for your home or office or school. Thanks.
Very close.